Steel towers, bridges, buildings, factories, and harbor facilities. Until now, these have been inspected in the field. Digital transformation and AI can make such inspections safe and low cost. The answer is Knowledge Map4D. In conventional facility inspection, inspection work in high places entails risk. Erection of scaffolding and use of special equipment tends to inflate the cost. Experienced and skilled inspectors are needed. As a solution to those problems, NTT Comware proposes Knowledge Map4D, which introduces 4D digital management to facility inspection. First, the target facility is photographed using drones or robots. A 3D model is generated from the captured images. Inspection and reporting are centralized and executed from a remote office. Defective points can be spotted through visual inspection of the images. By comparing current and historical data for the same point, it is possible to check how far aging has progressed. Analyzing accumulated inspection data, AI plays the role of a professional inspector. It enables standardized and effective inspection, reducing cost and boosting work efficiency and safety. Knowledge Map4D is a new solution for infrastructure facility management in the digital age.